Okay, you can buy your own personal sound here in this website. I want to show you the website. You can buy your personal sound or beat, which you can use to produce your own content or do anything you want to use. You can also sell your beat here or your sound as a record producer or as a music producer who start newly or you have been into the business. If you have not seen the website before, the name of the website is A-Beat. So you can enter the website with either Phoenix, Chrome browser, or any browsing distance at all. You can use your laptop, you can use your phone to enter. So I'm using Phoenix now to browse. So let us go so that I can show you. Now, let's start afresh so that you can see it. The name of the website is abit. abit.com. abit. You can sell, you can buy with license. Once you buy, you are the owner. So please be attentive and listen so that you will understand. You will not be having issue with the sound or beat on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and the rest of it. If you are not registered, bring out form for you here. You will register. Once you register, write your name, your email address, and your password. You are good to go. Let's explore beats. Explore. There are some that you can buy. It's opening. It's opening. It's opening. Network. There are lots and lots of it here. Lots of vibes, piano vibes, guitar playlist, music sounds, beats of different types. You can find them here. See it. When you click, you enter. You can even see inspired by Burna Boy. That means Nigerian so here. International they come buy or sell his beat. So you come here also buy and sell your beat. So let's go to sell. So I can know click on where you will sell card or use one is selling beat. Sell. You can also sell beat. So that you know that you remember the name of abit.com. abit.com. Go to seller dashboard. It's opening. Patient, it will soon open. So you're a new producer, you're not seeing this website. You can from here start selling your beats, sound cards. You have the capacity. Let's select 1 month is 7.99, but there will be discount if you pay yearly. And you can see that's basic free for beginners who don't have money. Select 95 CDs, 8 for 1 year if you pay 1 year. So if you don't have money, it's better you pay year so that you can have discount. See where you put your credit or debit card, or you can also pay with PayPal. Once you pay, they will direct you to start uploading your beats for sale. I'm grateful. Thank you for watching. Share this video. Follow and subscribe if you have not been following. Share it. It's very